Hi friends, welcome to ZPHS School ROMPIVALASA Spoken English classes. Today's topic is description of thing in a format. What is a format? Let us see. This is a dash. Here we write name. It is dash in size. Here we write size such as big, small, short and tall. Next one. This is dash in shape. Here we write shape such as triangular, rectangular, cube, cuboid, circular, etc. Next one. It is dash in color. Here we write color such as green, blue, yellow, white, etc. Next, it is made of dash. Here we write materials such as iron, plastic, leather, wood, etc. It has dash. Here we write parts. Next one. It is used for. Here we write use such as reading, writing, cooking, walking, traveling, riding, etc. Now description of a ceiling fan. This is a fan. It is big in size. It is round in shape. It is black in color. It is made of iron and plastic. It has parts hook, top canopy, down rod, bottom canopy, blades, motor housing. It is used for getting air. Now, yes or no questions. Is this a fan? Is this a fan? Is it round in shape? Is it big in size? Is it black in color? Has it parts hook, top canopy, down rod, bottom canopy, blades, motor housing? Is it used for getting air? Now, WH word questions. What is this? What is its size? What is its shape? What is its color? What parts has it? What is it used for? What is it made of? Now, actions related to the ceiling fan. The fan rotating slowly. Switch off the fan. Switch on the fan. The fan broke down yesterday. The fan needs repairing. He repaired the fan. Turn off the fan. Turn on the fan. Increase the speed of fan and decrease the speed of fan. Thank you.